Stuart Hockley here, Managing Director at Corporate Connections. In this video series, we're going to look at some of our products a little more closely. To help me do that, I've got Jackie Cronk with me, Senior Sales Exec in Johannesburg, and also Mr. Jamie Wilson to tell you about some of these products.
Why the Media Island? Well, I say why not the Media Island? The inception of this unit came about through the discussions with various clients with the need of a lot more power and data into one unit. We've allowed for 3 pins, 2 pins, as well as your smart charging, HDMI, VGA and data peripherals all in one unit. It's flexible, it's compact and it's flush in your worktop.